Welcome back, Kuradangerz. Thank you for visiting. So today we got another affordable, sexy panty lingerie, and as you can see, it has a ribbon detail in the front. And look at that very nice garter, very cute ribbon. And yes, look at that very nice strawberry print in the front. Its cloth is a chiffon with a strawberry print, and look at that very nice, very dainty design panty. At the back detail is just a plain cotton cloth that is very comfy to wear. Of course, Kuradangers, it is nice to wear a very comfortable lingerie.